In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON M1220 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON M1220 Drawing Tablet is a versatile and advanced tool designed for artists, graphic designers, and students in fields such as architecture and engineering. This tablet features a 12-inch drawing area, providing ample space for detailed work. It is equipped with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and nuanced control over lines and strokes, which is ideal for digital art and design. These customizable buttons enable quick access to frequently used functions and shortcuts, enhancing workflow efficiency. These additional keys provide control over multimedia functions, such as adjusting volume or controlling music playback, which can be particularly useful during long creative sessions. The GAOMON M1220 is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Android operating systems, making it a flexible choice for users across different platforms. The included stylus does not require charging, offering uninterrupted use and convenience. Number 2. VEIKK 15 Pro Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK 15 Pro digital drawing tablet is a versatile and advanced tool designed for digital artists, architects, and designers. This tablet is equipped with a battery-free stylus that supports tilt functionality, enhancing the natural drawing experience by allowing users to create varied strokes and effects based on the angle of the pen. It offers compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Android, Windows, and Mac, making it a flexible choice for users across different platforms. The tablet features a spacious working area, providing ample space for drawing and designing. The stylus is lightweight and does not require charging, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions. The stylus supports tilt recognition, enabling more dynamic and natural drawing capabilities. The tablet includes 12 express keys that can be programmed to perform various functions, increasing efficiency and productivity. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the VEIKK 15 Pro ensures precise and responsive input, capturing subtle nuances in every stroke. The VEIKK 15 Pro stands out among other tablets in its category, such as the GAOMON M106K Pro and the XPPen Deco Pro S/M, by offering a combination of advanced features like tilt functionality and extensive customization options. Its compatibility with multiple operating systems makes it a practical choice for users who work across different devices. This tablet is well suited for artists looking for a reliable and feature-rich drawing solution. Number 3. XPPen Deco 01 V2 Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco 01 V2 10-inch drawing tablet is a versatile and efficient tool designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers. This graphics tablet features a 10-inch active area, providing ample space for detailed and expressive drawing. The tablet boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control over line thickness, opacity, and detail. This high sensitivity ensures that every stroke is captured accurately, providing a natural and smooth drawing experience. The XPPen Deco 01 V2 supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function, which enables users to create more dynamic and natural lines and strokes, mimicking the behavior of traditional brushes and pencils. This tablet is compatible with Android, Windows, and Mac OS, making it a flexible option for users across different platforms. Whether you're using it with a desktop, laptop, or even certain Android devices, the Deco 01 V2 ensures seamless integration. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys that can be programmed to perform various functions, enhancing workflow efficiency and productivity. These keys allow users to access frequently used tools and commands quickly. With its slim and lightweight design, the XPPen Deco 01 V2 is highly portable, making it easy to carry and use on the go. Despite its compact form, the tablet does not compromise on performance or functionality. The large active area and the tablet's responsive surface ensure an immersive drawing experience. The matte finish of the drawing surface provides a paper-like feel, reducing glare and allowing for long hours of comfortable drawing. Number 4. Bisofice Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Bisofice Graphics Drawing Tablet is a professional 10 by 6 inch digital drawing tablet designed to cater to artists, designers, and students engaged in various creative and educational activities. The 10 by 6 inch active drawing area provides ample space for detailed artwork and design projects. Customizable express keys enhance productivity by allowing quick access to frequently used functions and shortcuts, which can significantly speed up the workflow. The tablet is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, ensuring broad accessibility for different users. Suitable for painting, designing, and taking online courses, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Number 5. HUION Kamvas Pro. The HUION Kamvas Pro 24 is a high-end graphics tablet monitor designed for professional artists, designers, and digital illustrators. It boasts a 23.8-inch 4K UHD display, providing exceptional clarity and detail, which is crucial for intricate artwork and design tasks. The monitor covers 140% of the sRGB color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate color representation, which is essential for color-critical work. The 3840 by 2160 resolution offers stunning visual clarity, allowing artists to see every detail of their work with precision. The large display provides ample space for creating detailed artworks and managing multiple design elements simultaneously. The wide color gamut ensures that colors are displayed vividly and accurately, which is important for digital art and design. This high level of pressure sensitivity allows for precise control over line thickness and opacity, providing a natural drawing experience. The stylus does not require charging, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions and a more convenient user experience. The Kamvas Pro 24 is compatible with Android, making it versatile and useful for artists who use different devices for their creative work.